Hello, welcome to Unit 1, Lesson 2, Corresponding Parts and Scale Factors, Cool Down Answer Key. In this cool down, you're given that polygon PQRS is a scaled copy of polygon ABCD. So that means that ABCD is the original polygon, and PQRS is the scaled copy. So question 1 says to name the angle in the scaled copy that corresponds to angle ABC. So if I look at that angle here, angle ABC would be right here. So I'm looking at this angle. So if I go to the scaled copy, and the part that matches up with that is going to be this angle right here. So my answer is angle PQR. Notice Q is in the middle. That's important. You can either write the word angle or the symbol for angle, which is that. So either version, but you do need to have at least one. You need to either have the word angle or the symbol for angle. Next, it says to name the segment of the scaled copy that corresponds to segment AD. So AD is right here, and the piece that corresponds to that on the scaled copy would be right here. So that means the answer is segment PS. Again, you can either write the word segment or you can use the symbol that represents segment, and in this case it's a line above PS. Okay, and then finally we have what is the scale factor from polygon ABCD to polygon PQRS. Now to figure out the scale factor, what you do is you take the scaled copy, okay, and you're going to take one of the side lengths and you're going to put it over or divide by the original copy. So in this case, the scaled copy is PS, has a length of 3. And the original copy, so the length that corresponds to that, is AD, and that has a length of 2. Oops. So that means the scale factor when going from ABCD to PQRS is going to be 3/2. You can also write that as 1.5. So either one of those is acceptable. All right, thanks.